I'm going to be showing you a thing that you can cook. It sounds like slime, and yeah. So it's just like tape. Like obviously I got my chocolate right here. Here's a sticky part. Which when you do this, it sounds like when you're cooking slime. I just love it because while doing this, you can prank your friends too. You could do any stuff. You could also use tape or anything. I just love the sound effects, like it's so satisfying. But anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Hopefully you use this trick to prank your friends with. Like, just say, oh, I have slime. Do you want to hear it? And when they say yes, poke the stick. But don't show it to them. But anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you to prank people. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and I will see you all next time. Oh yeah, please don't mind the background and the sound effects. I'll be adding music to this and you'll see bubbles floating. Bye!